Did you know that you can make money with your Cricut machine? That's right. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can take your business to the next level and make money using a Cricut machine. If you're new here, I'm Kim from Sweet Red Poppy, and every week I share a new Cricut, crafting, or even a sewing video. Be sure that you hit the subscribe button, that way you don't miss out on all of the fun. Now, before we begin, I wanted to thank Cricut for sponsoring this video. You can find all of the supplies that you'll need to create custom products for your business online at Cricut.com or at your local craft store. Now, most of you may not know this about me, but before I had started blogging, I actually had an Etsy store where I sold custom little girls' dresses. Now, this was before I had a Cricut, so I can only imagine just how much easier it would have been if I had a Cricut in my life. Now, I can't tell you how nice it would have been to just quickly create custom stickers, even thank you cards. That way I could personalize every order. Or I could have even personalized my dresses with iron-on names and cute designs. Now, if you've never used a Cricut before, you may be wondering, what can a Cricut even do? Currently, Cricut has 3 different machines. We have Joy, the Explorer, and the Maker. Now, all 3 of these machines can be used to create stunning custom products. They can cut a variety of different materials, and really, they just make things more efficient for your business. My personal favorite is probably the Cricut Maker. The Maker can cut over 300 materials, which includes balsa wood, vinyl, cardstock, even leather. It can even engrave, it can perforate, so many different things. It really is the perfect crafting machine, especially for a business. If you're looking to make and sell products with your Cricut, the Maker unlocks the door to so many different options. If you're looking to create and sell your own products, you may be wondering where you should begin. Personalized products are super popular right now, and a Cricut makes creating them so much easier. Whether it's a name, maybe it's initials, a last name, a wedding date, or even just colors, customers love to customize their own products. With the holidays coming up, this is the perfect time to get started. Now, I've put together a few ideas just to get you thinking about all of the amazing things that you can create with your Cricut and things that you can sell. One of the most popular items is t-shirts. Whether you're making a single custom t-shirt for a gift, or maybe it's 20 t-shirts for a family reunion, people love having handmade custom shirts. You can create them with iron-on or even with infusible ink. Another one of my favorite products is stickers and sticker sheets. I've seen people create large orders of custom stickers for weddings or even for businesses. Using the print then cut feature on the Cricut Maker or the Explorer, you can create your very own custom stickers. You can also create custom cake or cupcake toppers. Now, these are really easy to make. All you need is a few layers of cardstock, some adhesive foam, and cake pop sticks. You can easily find all of these supplies at your local craft store. Then you can customize your toppers with numbers, names, or even images. One of the highest profit margin items is custom confetti. Cricut carries these really fun rolls of party foil that you can cut into confetti. Just like the cake topper, you can personalize the confetti with names, dates, or even symbols. There are so many products that you can make and sell with your Cricut. You could do custom doormats, stemless wine glasses, matching mug and coaster sets, personalized acrylic keychains, genuine leather earrings, and so much more. Honestly, the possibilities here are endless. Whether you're selling items you made with your Cricut or something else, your Cricut can help you to brand and package the product for a better customer experience. You can create branded stickers, thank you cards, and even packaging all with your Cricut. And it can be a really fun way to create a personalized finishing touch to any of your products. Now that you have some ideas of products that you could create, you may be wondering how you should sell them. Before you begin selling your products, be sure to check into your local and state laws to make sure you have any licenses that you need and you know if you need to collect sales tax. You can also sell your products online, in person, or both. If you're looking to sell online, some of the most popular online markets are Etsy and Handmade Amazon. You can also set up your very own website. No matter which option you choose, be sure to keep in mind the marketing that you'll need to do to get people to you or to find your product. You can also sell locally, in person, or even at a farmer's market or a craft market. If you want to start selling locally, start looking for local places that you can sell your products at. Now, no matter how you choose to sell your products, you will need to sell them at a price that makes a profit. So before you begin selling, you'll want to calculate the cost of the product, including your labor. This is going to give you a better idea of what you should be charging for each product that you make. Another thing you should keep in mind is shipping costs. Now, be sure that you calculate your shipping costs into your price or that you charge extra for shipping. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my Cricut tutorials. If you're new to Cricut, be sure to check out my blog in the description below for step-by-step tutorials that will teach you how to make amazing products with your Cricut. This video really could be hours and hours long explaining how to start up and then run a crafting business, but I hope this gives you a good place to start. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Are you thinking about turning your passion into a business or a side hustle to earn some extra income? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear more about your business.